Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn different settings of screenshots in our phone Samsung Galaxy A14. When you take screenshots, usually some of the functions will appear due to the default settings. You can also customize those default settings and use as per your wish for taking screenshot. For example, if you want to take screenshot from this page fast.com, okay, see here I take a screenshot. For taking screenshot, normally power button and volume down button will be used for taking screenshot. Simultaneously press it and check the screenshot. Here the page and also the data in the mobile area, that is this is status bar area, time and notifications and this battery information will also be, the entire screen is taken in the screenshot. Suppose if you want to cut this one, if you don't want this status bar area, then yes, you can do it. For that, you go to customize your screenshot settings. Just go to the settings of your phone here and go to advanced features. Go to advanced features and go to screenshots. Here what you go to do is just turn on this button, hide status and navigation bars. So this status bar and also this navigation bar will be ignored when you take a screenshot. See here. Now I take a screenshot from my one of the page called facultyon.com. Faculty on. I go to my website. It's loading, just wait. So this page I would try to take a screenshot, but I don't want this status bar and also this navigation bar. This is unnecessary for me, so I have done these settings for that and I take a screenshot now. See here and see in the screenshot result. See here, there is no such things. Okay, there is no such things. So in this way, you can easily modify according to your wish. There are some more other settings. I will explain it. And go to the settings and click on advanced features and go to screenshots. And first option is show toolbar after capturing. By default, it is turned on. That is, after capturing image, toolbar will appear for editing and other purpose for taking long screenshot. See here. I take a screenshot now and this is the toolbar. Okay, you can crop using this. Okay, like that. So this is shown there. If you don't want this option, you can disable it. Go to settings, advanced features, screenshots and turn off this button, means the toolbar will not appear. Okay, see here. After capturing, the toolbar is not appearing. Okay, so but everybody needs some correction. So for that, by default, it is available. If you don't want, just turn off like me. Okay, otherwise keep it turned on. That is better option. Then next one is, if you turn on this one, then only second option will be visible. So delete after sharing from toolbar. Okay. That means if you it is already turned off, if you turn on it after sharing from toolbar, screenshot will be deleted. Okay, for example, you are taking a screenshot from this page and toolbar is appearing. After sharing from here, you are clicking share button and you are going to share it through WhatsApp, and after sharing it will not be available in your folder. Okay, that's the meaning of it. Okay, but usually it will be available. Okay, by default it will be available. If you don't want after sharing, if you don't want that screenshot in your phone, then just turn on that button and it will not be available in your phone, but in the shared persons that file will have. Okay, and then next I go to the same settings, advanced features, and go to screenshots, and final one is format. So what format you would like to use by taking a screenshot, jpg or png? By default jpg file available. If you want to use png, yes, you can select it. The capture screen will be in png format. Okay, so these are all the 4 different settings of screenshots in our phone, Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.